Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Google Forms for website lead capture. Complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Google account. Navigate to the Google Forms homepage. Click on the blank form to create a new form. In the top left corner, enter a title for your form, such as Lead Capture Form. Add a brief description to explain the purpose of the form. Start adding the necessary fields for lead capture. Use text fields for collecting names and email addresses. Consider using a multiple choice or checkbox field for additional questions. Adjust the settings for each question, marking mandatory fields as required. Click on the settings icon in the top right corner. In the settings menu, navigate to the General tab. Enable the option to collect email addresses for automatic authorization. If necessary, adjust the settings for response receipts, allowing users to receive a copy of their responses. Switch to the Presentation tab to customize the confirmation message that users will see after submission. To make your form visually appealing, choose a theme or background color. Once you complete the form design, click on the Send button at the top right. Select the link icon to generate a shareable link for the form. Consider shortening the URL for easier sharing. Embed the form on your website by copying the HTML code under the Embed tab. Paste this code into your website's HTML where you want the form to appear. Finally, test the form to ensure that it captures leads correctly and that authorization works as intended. Make any adjustments as needed based on your testing. With these steps, you will have successfully set up a Google form for lead capture on your website. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.